Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by parking the Silverado on level ground and setting the steering straight. Chock the rear wheels, then raise the front with a jack and secure on stands. Measure camber at both front wheels using a level or digital camber gauge to the nearest 0. 1 degree, recording left and right. Ensure tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure and that the vehicle has its normal ride height. These factors change camber readings and will affect alignment results. If your Silverado uses an adjustable upper ball joint or eccentric cam bolts, begin by loosening the relevant fasteners while keeping the wheel supported. Turn the eccentric or slightly rotate the spindle assembly to move the top of the wheel inward or outward. Loosen the upper ball joint nut and rotate the spindle assembly to change camber by about 0.5 degrees per half turn, checking the camber gauge after each small movement. Once within the target range, torque hardware to factory specification, lower the vehicle, and verify camber on both sides. For models that require shims, remove the strut or control arm mounting bolt and insert camber shims behind the bushing to move the wheel top inward or outward. Each shim thickness typically changes camber by a measurable fraction of a degree, often up to 1.0 degree per shim stack. If you have adjustable aftermarket control arms, set length to bring camber into spec and tighten hardware. After any camber change, always recheck toe settings. Perform a brief road test, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.